Hey everybody, today we've got a big box from Honor, and what this has is the new Honor 20 series phone. Hashtag you deserve better. So let's open this box and see what's inside. Okay, so inside we have another box and it says break it up because you deserve better. So there's also a hammer, miniature hammer, and we'll need to break through this box to get to the new Honor 20i. So let's do it. So this is the new Honor 20i, and here's your first look at the phone. Let's unbox it. Let's see what else is inside the box. So we get a case, a protective case. It's a regular silicone case, TPU case, and other than that, we have a charger and a USB cable. So that's a 2 ampere power adapter, and is a cable USB type C. Okay, so this is the new Honor 20i. So it has a gradient finish, water drop notch, triple rear cameras, a rear mounted fingerprint sensor. Looks pretty interesting, compact and handy, and we don't know the price yet, but it's going to be aggressive. So we'll be coming up with our first impressions really soon, so stay tuned guys. Bye bye for now.